Did you know that there are really only two incentives for a defense attorney to try and settle your case early? Would you like to learn what they are? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The first incentive is that the defense attorney will want to make the insurance company recognize that by settling the case early, they can save a significant amount of money. There may be no upside to taking the case all the way to trial. There may be no upside to taking the case throughout the litigation process. Instead, if they come back with an analysis that said, listen, we have significant exposure and significant risk here, and our opinion is to try and settle this case as early as possible, then the whole purpose, the whole incentive of trying to settle a case early is to save the insurance company money. So there are two agendas here. One is the insurance company wants to pay as little as possible. You have a different agenda. Your agenda is to try and gain as much compensation as possible. And really smart defense attorneys who perform an analysis early on in the case, who provide this type of analysis and opinion to their clients, do a great service to them. And if the insurance company listens to them and they are able to settle the case early, it's a great incentive to them. You know why? That leads them to number two, the second incentive. If they save the insurance company money, it makes the attorney look really good. It makes their law firm look really good. And what's the upside to that? The upside is that the insurance company will now likely send them even more cases to handle to generate even more business. So it's almost like a loop. So the attorney actually has an incentive to try and do well and give them a valued opinion about whether or not it's worthwhile to try and settle the case early. And if so, and they're going to try and save money doing that, now they look good. Now they get the benefit of, hey, you guys did well in the last case, we're going to send you even more cases. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on, and it may be a motivating factor for why a defense attorney will or will not try and get the insurance company to settle a case earlier rather than later. You know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.